In this lecture, we will learn key principles of software architecture and design. What is architectural style or pattern? The architectural style, also called as architectural pattern, is a set of principles which shapes an application. It defines an abstract framework for a family of systems in terms of the pattern of structural organization. The architectural style is responsible to provide a lexicon of components and connectors with rules on how they can be combined, improve partitioning, and allow the use of design by giving solution to frequently occurring problems. Describe a particular way to configure a collection of components, a model with well-defined interfaces, reusable and replaceable, and connectors, communication link between models.